Hey guys, Thomas Tallon here at MarineMax. Today I'm showing you a brokerage boat that I just took in. This is a 2016 Sea Ray 19 SPX. Has a 4.3 180 horsepower engine with only 88 freshwater hours. Always serviced right here at MarineMax in Greenville. Nice boat, comes with the trailer. Again, low hours, only 88. Swim ladder, big transom deck, nice sun pad. Bench seat on port side, starboard side captain's chair. At the helm, you'll see it does have the Lowrance depth finder / GPS. Nice rear view mirror installed. Snap-in carpet, bimini top, walk-through windshield. Again, guys, only 88 hours. Freshwater use on Lake Kiowee in Upstate South Carolina, Mountain Reservoir. Trailered boat, kept inside, and always serviced at MarineMax in Greenville. For more information, please give us a call, or you can call me on my personal cell phone, 864-350-0145. Thank you very much for looking, and have a great day.